everyone, it's Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team, and today we're going to tour our newest home for sale at 61 Lady May Drive in Whitby. Let's go inside and take a look. This detached bungalow features a 1.5-car garage, a brand new entryway with new tile flooring, new powder room, as well as 2 bedrooms on the main floor. The main floor features an open concept layout with your kitchen overlooking your living room, looking over your dining room with a walkout to your backyard with a private deck. Your primary bedroom features double closets as well as a semi-ensuite. Go take a look at the other bedroom upstairs and I'll meet you in the basement. Downstairs, we have a large rec room, 2 more bedrooms with more closet space than you would ever need, as well as a 3rd full bathroom. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our tour of 61 Lady May Drive in Whitby. Again, I'm Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. If this home caught your eye, give the number above a call to book your private tour. And as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.